Okay, this is a bandsaw I got off Craigslist the other day, and it has a broken gear reduction motor that goes right there in that hole. I'm gonna try and make another one. So here's some of the parts that I'm gonna be making this reduction motor box out of. I've got some 1018 steel here that I'm going to be boring out to 1 3/4 inches. I'll be turning this down here to about 2 inches or thereabouts, and pressing them into some holes that I make in the sides of these. This will form up my box here, and these guys here will will go in the corners, and I'll drill and tap them. So I'll have some threads to put the plate on, and as well mount it to my saw. So I've got a larger piece here that will become this, and a smaller piece here that will become this. Like I say, I'm going to be boring a hole through here actually, and creating this part and that part. And I'm hoping that the shaft and bearings will fit down into there and function. So I'll take you through the process as I go. Okay, I've got the box all tacked together, and I'm not going to weld it until I'm all done, but I'm going to leave this one side off as well, because I need to get in there to be able to press that one shaft in without that side on. So that'll be one of the last things I put on. Outside down to about 1 3/4 inches. Okay, getting ready to turn the other bore now. I got the first one done. It's over here. Bearings fit well in there. Everything slides into place. I have yet to cut a retaining ring groove in this end of it down here. The original had a groove there. I don't know if you can see that, but I have yet to put that one in this guy over here. I don't have a tool for it yet, so I'm it'll put a little thought into that. Taken off about 10 thousandths per cut on this one, on this particular hole, because well, I'm a little nervous about everything shifting in here. So I've only got this part tacked together, and rigidity is a real problem right now. So I'm just taking real light cuts. That hole's got to be about 1 3/4 inches. right, I get that, we're going to call it a sleeve pressed in there now, and it's a pretty good fit. I had to do a little bit of milling on the back side to get it to clear back in this area here, and I left a little channel there and I'll fill that full of some weld, but overall it's taken shape. So now I'm going to bore a hole like this over here, and this, then we'll press on that back side. Then we'll put the gears in it and hopefully it'll run. Hole number 2. Took me forever to get it lined up and indicated. That side that the jaws are clamping on flexes quite a bit because it's an open box. So boy, it took me better than a half hour to get this thing indicated. And I am fighting a bit of a rigidity problem. Everything is flexing. Hopefully I can get this whole board and be done today. Well, here's the finished product. All I have to do is paint it now, but well, everything appears to be working. As you can see, I'm not really a welder, but I bolted it to the saw and did a function test, and the saw runs and sounds good, so we're going to call it done. Thanks, guys.